Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make your Honda Civic pop. Start by fixing suspension sag and adding mild camber for stance, then upgrade exhaust tips and muffler resonator for cleaner tone. Clean headlights and add subtle exterior accents to sharpen appearance. Keep electrical changes reversible and follow local noise and emissions rules. Focus on affordable, bolt-on parts and simple detailing to get dramatic results without complex fabrication or heavy expense. Begin with a conservative exhaust path. Choose a high-flow muffler and quality midpipe that enhances sound without drone. Consider a resonator delete only after listening at cruising RPM to avoid cabin buzz. Avoid illegal catalytic converter removal and preserve emissions gear to stay compliant. If you want louder sound temporarily, use a slip-on tip or adjustable valve system that is reversible. Always test on private property before public driving to judge tone and volume. For visuals, choose lowering springs or coilovers that correct squat and sharpen wheel gap while preserving ride quality. Select wheels with the correct offset and tire size to tuck flush without rubbing. Perform a proper alignment after suspension changes to maintain tire life and predictable handling. Add subtle exterior touches like fresh trim, chrome delete, or debadging for a cleaner face. Small, cohesive mods often create the biggest overall impact on presence and stance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.